Today, a W212 is coming to the channel. Under what circumstances in 2022 an ICE car still can be a viable option, creating a really great value? Let's take a look at that and dive into this topic right after the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the 2012 E250 CGI. We are looking here at an inline 4-cylinder twin turbocharged engine with about 200 brake horsepower. It is one of the most reliable engines Benz ever produced. This E-Class here comes in calcite white with the optional AMG package. That not just includes visual upgrades. The car sits 50mm lower. The powertrain is upgraded with a sports mode and a sports button changing the timing of the engine as well as shifting response of the gearbox. The steering wheel is upgraded to an AMG steering wheel with pedal shifters, and the interior is upgraded to a little bit more premium materials. So what is the value? What can we expect to get out of this? Well, this car here comes with under 40,000 miles on the clock, and the buying price was under 10 grand. Looking at MSRP when it was new, someone else took a hit of over 90% of depreciations. Because of the really good condition and the really good quality when this E-Class was released, the maintenance cost is expected to be really low. Also, it does need to be maintained at Benz. Any free garage with good technicians can look after it and get the job done. With tons of money saved, there is room for upgrades. To drag this car into the modern age and time makes it really necessary to upgrade the infotainment system. This W212 comes with NTG 4.5, and that is the base, upgrading it to Apple CarPlay, which will not work like an afterthought, but implemented by the OEM, working with all the buttons on the steering wheel and in the console. How that's done, I will share on the channel sometime soon. In the same OEM-like way, we will upgrade the lighting kit, the original LEDs from 10 years ago to modern ones. All implemented OEM-like, working with all the steering wheel buttons in the car, changing colors and modes. Also, the wheels will be upgraded to forged AMG wheels, most likely the black powder-coated ones, because I think they really go well with a white car, and since it has anyways the AMG package, the design will also match each other, so that is probably the option I will try to go for. Once done, I hope it really serves as a great FPV flying base, opening the lift gate at the back and flying just out of the trunk. That would be really a great experience. If it plays out as it is in my mind right now, well, we will see, and I will share also that experience sometime soon. And as always guys, thanks for watching, have a great rest of the day, stay safe, and see you in the next one.